Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about operators in C, the building blocks of any competition. We'll explore different types and their usage with a code examples. Let's dive in. So we have so many operators in C. Okay, let's see one by one. What are those and how we use those operators? Okay, let's create a file called operators.c. Okay, so first one we have arithmetic operator like plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and percentage. Okay, or modular. So these are the arithmetic operations. Okay, so other than that we have relational operation like this is we call relational operator like is equal to or not is equal to greater than less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay, so after that we have the logical operators like and or and not. Okay, so these are the uh, logical not, this is we call logical not. Okay, these are the other than this we have bitwise operators also like okay, and these all we called and or we have. Okay, not we have left shift, right shift. These are called the bitwise operators. Okay, so let's see one by one what is these what the operation this operator does and everything one by one. Okay, so first I want to conclude that the arithmetic operation. Okay, arithmetic operators. Okay, so arithmetic operators perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiple, division, and modulus. Okay, so whenever you want to add two numbers, okay, whenever you subtract two numbers, multiple by two numbers, these operations done by the arithmetic operators. Okay, let's see one example for arithmetical operation. Okay, so I take int. Okay, int a is equal to 12, fine, and b is equal to 5. Great. So now I want to add these two numbers. Okay, for that I use int sum is equal to a arithmetic operator addition b. Okay, so this is arithmetical operations. Okay, when it comes to uh, add two numbers. So we are getting some error here. Let's see that. What is that? No. Okay, this constant value we need, right? Okay, let's fix this by. Okay. Now, next int, sub. Okay, so is equal to a minus b. So this is first subtraction. Int multiple, like mul means multiple, a star b. This is for multiplication. When it comes to division, int def is equal to a by b is for division, and also same modulus. Okay, int mod is equal to a percentage b. This is not actually percentage, this is modulus, we call it modulus. So these all are like whatever I typed here, like a plus b, a minus b, a multiple b, a division b. These all are called arithmetical operations. Okay, so wherever a is there, b is there, that a and b is replaced by 12 and 5. Okay, so next is relational operations. Okay, next is relational operations. Okay, so now let's try to do the relational operations. Okay, so relational operators are used to compare values and return true or false. Okay, so if you want to compare two values, which is greater than, which is smaller than, and which student got a highest in, we the I'm just explaining the example. Okay, so they give two numbers or two student marks, and they will ask like which is which one is got highest marks, and all these kind of questions they will ask. Okay, let's try to compare the things here. Okay, int a is equal to 5. Okay, and I got b is equal to 7. Okay, so I compare using if statement. Okay, I compare these two using if statement. A is greater than b. Okay, uh, print a is less than, a is less than b. Okay, so here we comparing a with b, so it's a smaller than, like it's a less than b, like that. So is a is less than b, like that we are comparing a and b here. Okay, so the another example for this is, okay, so we can take what we can take. Okay, age mm, Sagar is equal to 25. Okay, uh, and and okay, let's take Manoj. Manoj as 30. Okay, so if Sagar is less than Manoj, like in age, I mean in the age I am, I'm talking about. Okay, so print yeah, Sagar is younger than Manoj. Sagar is younger than Manoj. So this is another example for relational operation. Okay, now let's consider the another operation which is very popular. That is nothing but a logical operator. Okay, logical operators. Here we have and. Okay, so we have not. Okay, mm, and not, which is this one. Okay, okay. So let's take an example for this. Okay, again I take int a is equal to b is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15. Okay, so now I compare these two. Okay, a is less than b, and b is less than c. I don't know guys, I just use the I'm using the extension which is helps me to get it helps me to finish work as soon as possible. Okay, so but so, as a fresher, don't use these kind of extensions. Okay, because you'll lose your logical thinking or critical thinking. Okay, just without chat gpt or without ai help, try to solve the problems. Okay, that helps you to improve logical things, logical reasoning, and logical thinking. Okay, so here I comparing three values. Okay, so mean that when we compare three value, we need to take some uh, something like a is less than b and b is less than c. So here one particular thing we are comparing with the two things, that is b. Okay, here b is comparing with a also, and b is comparing with the c also, right? So this is how this and logical operators works. Okay, so after this we have another thing, okay, called bitwise. Okay, so let's see where we use this bitwise operators. Okay, so we have bitwise operators like and this we okay comment this called we and okay this we called XOR. Okay, this code we called or, this called with not, and this will be called left shift, and this will be called right shift. Okay, now let's see the example. So int is equal to a, and b is int is equal to a is int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Okay, so when int and result is equal to a and b, this is a bitwise. Okay, int or SQL result is equal to a b. Okay, this is a bitwise or. Okay, so when we take XOR result is equal to a, this we call bitwise XOR. Okay, so same not, for not also we'll have an example for here. Result is equal to, so bitwise not. So for now, try to understand what is left, right, left shift. So if you want to shift your bit to the left side, you can use this bitwise operator or left shift. Okay. So a left shift one means it is if you have like see, if you have example Manoj. Okay. So if you write as a left shift, the a will be left shift to the m. Okay, so that's nothing but it becomes am o. Okay, this becomes like this. Okay, left, oh sorry, this is called a right shift. Okay, then this becomes m o a n, sorry, m n a o j. This becomes left shift. Okay, this is how it works. Now right, I already explained right shift and left shift. Okay, so this is how these bitwise operators works. So here in this video we learned about operators. So like how we use operators and what is bit operators and what is arithmetic operators. We saw these kind of operators here. Okay, so practice these examples on your compiler and download the full practice PDF and notes from the description. Okay, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video, and we will explore more in C. Until and unless, take care guys, and happy coding. Thank you.